If you have run out of LAN ports on your router, or are tired of unstable Wi-Fi for your PC and other devices, a switch is the essential solution. However, not all switches are created equal. Today we are unboxing and setting up the TP-Link 5-port Gigabit Easy Smart Switch, a device that is compact, built with a sturdy metal casing, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Inside the box, you will find the essentials. The switch itself, a 5-volt, 0.6 ampere power adapter, and a set of rubber feet. The heavy-duty metal casing of the switch is designed to act as a heatsink, allowing for fanless, silent operation. A crucial step during unboxing is to stick the rubber feet onto the 4 circles on the bottom of the device. This prevents the metal from scratching your desk and creates a small gap for airflow underneath to keep the unit cool. On the back panel, you will find the power jack, a reset button, which you can hold for 5 seconds if you ever forget your password, and a Kensington security slot for use in public office spaces. To demystify the hardware, the front of the device features 510, 100, 1000 megabits per second auto-sensing ports, meaning the switch is smart enough to detect exactly what is plugged in. To keep your network organized, it is best to follow a specific flow of data. Port 5 should be treated as your internet entry or input, and this makes it an uplink port. This is where you plug in the LAN cable coming from your modem or main router. This turns ports 1, 2, 3, and 4 into your output ports, also called downlink ports. You can then run individual cables from these ports to your desktop PC for maximum download speeds, your CCTV DVR or NVR for stable 24 hours recording, a smart TV, a gaming console, or even another Wi-Fi access point. Setting up the connection live involves a simple 3-step process. First, plug in the power and ensure the power LED on the far right turns solid green. Second, take the main line from your modem and plug it into port 5. Finally, monitor the LEDs to understand your connection. A green LED on the left indicates you are getting the full 1000 megabits per second gigabit speed, while a yellow or amber LED on the right means the connected device only supports 100 megabits per second, which is common for older printers or DVRs. When the lights are flashing, it represents the heartbeat of your network, signifying that data is actively moving. What gives the TL-SG105E the Easy Smart advantage is that it functions as more than just a simple splitter. You can actually log into the switch via your web browser using the default IP address 192.168.0.1 to access advanced management features. This includes VLAN support, which allows you to section off your security cameras so they don't slow down your PC, and quality of service settings, also called QoS settings. With QoS, you can tell the switch to prioritize your PC's data over the DVR to ensure your Zoom calls or gaming sessions never lag. In conclusion, this switch is simple, sturdy, and smart. By following the proper data flow, connecting your modem into port 5 and your devices into ports 1 through 4, you are officially wired for high-speed performance. If this setup guide helped you out, hit that like button and stay tuned for the next one.